How to become a real estate investor in 30 days. Whether you're seeking financial freedom, a secondary income, or a new career path, real estate offers vast opportunities. Day 1 to 5. Start by educating yourself. Research real estate investment strategies, terminologies, and market trends. Read books, listen to related podcasts, and follow real estate blogs to build a foundational understanding. Day 6 to 10. Define your investment goals. Decide on your budget, the type of properties you're interested in, and the level of risk you're willing to take. Consider whether you want to focus on residential, commercial, or rental properties. Day 11 to 15. Analyze your finances. Assess your credit score, available capital, and potential funding options. Contact mortgage brokers to explore financing plans and consider speaking with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Day 16 to 20. Start networking. Reach out to local real estate investors, agents, and professionals. Attend meetings, seminars, or webinars. Building relationships in the industry can lead to valuable insights and investment opportunities. Day 21 to 25. Study specific markets. Research different locations to invest in, analyzing trends, property values, and potential returns. This will help you identify promising areas for your investments. Day 26 to 28. Begin property hunting. Work with a realtor to start viewing properties that align with your strategy. Assess each property's condition, the local market, and potential for rental yields or capital gains. Day 29. Conduct thorough due diligence. Once you find a promising property, evaluate all details including legal checks, cost of repairs, and potential income. This ensures your investment is sound and minimizes risks. Day 30. Make an offer. If everything checks out, make an offer on the property. Be prepared to negotiate the terms and contract details to ensure favorable conditions for your investment.